ही तारुण्याचा बहर ज्वानीचा कहर मारिते लहर मदन तलवार मदन तलवार.
Propaganda. A chance to say something, a chance to teach something, a chance to reveal something, a chance possibly to inspire.
Grierson, John Grierson, the man who defined documentary. John Grierson.
You may remember in the history of actuality, documentary, I find out that with all your powers and all your persuasions and all your grandiose claims for yourself and all your filthy little prizes from all the filthy little festivals in the world, you only reach about 120, 130 million people. That's peanuts. You've got 550 million in this country. There are 450 million people in this country, and that's where Golconda is, that's where the big time is, that's where your future is.
मैं अक्सर देखता हूँ टेलीविजन में या रेडियो अपने इंडियन न्यूज में कि जो गलत चीजें वो कभी सरकार हमारे सामने नहीं रखी कि भाई यहाँ पर ये भी तकलीफें हैं. Do we really tell them what the problems are? Are we honest about it? Is the government honest about talking about these problems? And as we as communicators and documentary filmmakers, are we honest about telling the people what the problems are and how they can be solved? I don't know the answer.
गरीबी हटाएगा क्या? गरीबी हटाएगा क्या? खाएगा? हाँ?
The success of a documentary lies in its capacity to evoke a response from the public and to stimulate a chain of ideas.
समझते हैं? अन्न नहीं मिलता है, वस्त्र नहीं मिलता है, आवास नहीं बन सकता है.
Commenting on India's government-sponsored films, Donald Ritchie, author and film critic, wrote, "Democratic filmmaking of the highest order." Referring to the films division itself, he said, "The peer of any in the world and the superior of many."
Well, the purpose of a documentary film, as I see it, is not merely to sing songs about Bhakra, Nangal, and Nagarjuna Sagar and Bharatnatyam, but I think it is to involve the people in something deeper than that.
अब मुझको नहीं कुछ भी मोहब्बत के सिवा याद.
We have one of the largest documentary producing organizations in the world.
Ramir, short filmmaker for 4 decades. He's often referred to as the father of the Indian documentary film movement.
I'm not the father of anything that I know of. All I can say is that it is a matter of pride to see the tremendous inroads that documentary films have made in our country. The documentary film can be defined in many ways. According to John Grierson, that reputed documentalist, the documentary film is, in essence, the creative interpretation of actuality.
For centuries, man has sought a dream of peace and plenty, a dream that asks for a world without want and hunger. For centuries, this dream has played hide and seek with the destiny of man.
But unless a documentary film talks to people straight in the eye and tells them this is the problem, that even you're responsible for not solving it, I think we would make a point.
One of the best examples of true documentation can be found in that memorable film, Nanook of the North. It was made by Robert Flaherty, that master craftsman, almost 5 decades ago. In the wake of this unforgettable film came others, like The Song of Ceylon, Night Mail, Berlin, Moana.
Letters of condolence to Highlands and Lowlands, notes from overseas to Hebrides, written on paper of every hue, the pink, the violet, the white and the blue.
Around the same time, men of talent from Russia, Germany and France came forth with documentaries setting new trends, many of them classics in visual beauty, sense of form and social purpose.
The influence of such films, with their abundance of creativity, spread far and wide and started occupying a very special place of their own in contrast to the make-believe films. During the silent era, 1898 onwards, quite a few enthusiastic filmmakers were capturing events of general interest in our country. Dada Saheb Phalke, Save Dada, Hiralal Sen, Dr. Pranjape, and Tendulkar were some of them. Then came World War II.
To boost India's war effort, During the Second World War, the British, with their vast experience in the use of short film as a medium of propaganda, introduced the organized production of documentaries into India. British experts, Indian talent.
A small documentary unit was set up in Bombay in 1940. It was known as the Film Advisory Board. It started making a number of defense-oriented shorts on India's wartime efforts.
These are the men who, fighting for the empire and reasonableness and decency, are defending their homeland.
The board also sponsored a number of films to be made by independent filmmakers of the day.
ਇਹ ਗਰੀਬ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਉਥੋਂ ਨਾ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਕੂੜੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਟੁੱਟ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਕੂੜੇ ਦੇ ਢੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਛੜਿਆ ਤੇ ਗਲਿਆ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ
From 42 onwards, it came to be known as Information Films of India. It reeled about 400 documentaries and newsreels in 5 major languages of the country. Although mainly geared to the war effort, quite a number of these films were of general interest nature.
मगर हिंदुस्तान के एक ऐसे पेड़ के बारे में हम जरूर जानते हैं जो इंसान की करीब करीब सभी जरूरियात को पूरी करता है ये उसी अनोखे पेड़ की दिलचस्प कहानी है
In this perspective, let us not forget some of the documentary films made by stalwarts of those days. J.B.H. Wadia, Paul Zills, K. Subramaniam, B.N. Sarkar, the dynamic Dr. Pathy, and others.
Yes, many others like V. Shantaram.
History was in the making. No cameras rolled.
India independent. A new nation is born.
The man has freedom to starve, to go naked.
For our people were rejoicing, ready to welcome the long-awaited liberty.
Documentary films had now to play a greater part to make the Indian people know their country, their problems, their solutions. Realizing the importance of films as a medium of mass communication, the National Government of India established the Films Division in 1948.
I say I know of no country in Asia, Europe or America which would not have reacted in a much more violent way than we have done.
If theirs be the voice that will stir the conscience of humanity,
आ से अंगूर आ से आम
रहिए अब ऐसी जगह चल कर जहाँ कोई न हो हम सुखन को ही न हो और हम ज़बान को ही न हो बेदराजी वारसा एक घर बनाया चाहिए
May we for 100 autumns see that lustrous eye God ordained arise before us.
The Films Division grew up from scratch under Mohan Bhavnani.
मौत से
a wind of change with the appearance on the scene of the inventive Jean Bhavnagri.
नवल गोपाल नवेली राधा नए प्रेम रस पागे.
A concerted effort was made. The documentary maker had to use his vision and imagination to probe, analyze, involve every Indian in the tasks ahead.
भगवान को बड़ी ताकत है. रेलवे स्ट्राइक बंद करा देगा. करा दे. हाँ साहब, अगर रेलवे स्ट्राइक भगवान के कहने से बंद हो जाए तो इस मुल्क का अल्लाह ही मालिक है.
Cinemas throughout the country screen short films. Where there are no cinemas, the mobile vans take over. The rural audiences get to know their country and their people.
आज हम आपको नाइट्रोजन यानी नत्रयुक्त खाद कैसे दिए जाते हैं, क्यों दिए जाते हैं, इसके बारे में कुछ फिल्में दिखाएंगे.
अब फसल 45 दिन की हो गई है. अब प्रति हेक्टर 50 किलोग्राम नाइट्रोजन और डाली जा सकती है.
Observed James Beveridge, the films division must have provided the largest and most consistent program of public information films over 20 years of any country in history, excepting the USSR.
You mean I have a choice to make films and release them without the government?
ये कैसी तपन. सभी सोचते हैं धूप से तपित हूँ मैं,
पर नहीं बुझा सकती
मेरी प्यास.
Oh, how I suffer.
आह, मेरा दुख कौन जाने.
Why, ikutnar. But there is no water that can quench the thirst of my desire.
यारिगे ಗೊತ್ತು.
আমি তাপিত.
ఏం అవస్థగా ఉంది.
हाँ ताप.
సైక్యన్ భయ్యా. పిపాసా.
केवी यातना.
मैं तापित. यार के தெரியும்.
याद कैसी लगी है दिल में.
मेरी प्यास.
Well, I think the documentary film has had a definite effect even from its early times in India too on the feature films like films like Do Biga Zameen, and I could cite many others.
The Indian documentary movement has now grown to adulthood. It's been a long road from the early 40s to the mid-70s in the evolution of the documentary film in India. But it has been a road rich in experience.
Hello. The future of the documentary film, I think it's it's rather bright in a way that we'll keep on making money and we'll keep on making more ad film kind of documentary films, and we'll keep on singing songs in documentary films. But I don't know, the future. I don't know. No. Hello. I don't know, the future.